Today is really about less than 24 hours ago, as you know, or just over 24 hours, at the intersection behind us, we lost one of our community members, a first-year student, Rhyss Glenfield. I had the pleasure of speaking to his family today on one of their, of course, worst days. They have a strong spirit. They're really pleased that our community is coming together tonight in a vigil to celebrate and remember the life of their son.
These are early moments in the process, early moments in our grief. In 24 hours, we're all still feeling the rawness of what happened, the impact to all of us of what happened to a first-year student who was doing nothing more than crossing an intersection. So our thoughts, our prayers are with him, with his family, with our community, and with his friends. We have many reasons to find some pieces of small joy tonight. In each flicker of the candles that you can see around you is somebody else who cares in our community. I think it's really in these times when community comes together, when we show our true colors, when we're hurting and we know that we can hurt together, where it's okay to feel tears, to shed tears, to know that this is a tough day and that people care about you as we cared about Rhyss and will continue to care about Rhyss. We see not only in the candles, we see things like a GoFundMe page today by students. We see our Students' Union and many other folks in our community doing so many things to say, how can we reach out? How can we touch this family? How can we help people know that we care? And that's who we are, folks. That's what makes us a community. It's what makes us a family. So I would say that if I can pass on a word from Rhyss's father, he wanted us to know that he was grateful, but he also went further to say that in his hour of grief, he was grieving for the driver of the car. And I think that's a really important lesson for us, that a father who, I can't imagine the horror of the day that he is going through with his wife and living, is thinking about someone else and realizing that other people are hurting right now as well. And he wanted us to know that he harbors no ill will, which I commended him for and will again here. Rhyss came from a strong family, not unlike our own. It's a great example for us, and let me just conclude by saying, take some time today to hug your friends, to hug your family members, to hug those that you care about. We're a tight-knit community, and this is just simply tough. There's no magic words in these times. There's nothing that we can say that makes it go away or that we even want it to go away. We have to feel as we feel. But please, take the moment of being together for us to be able to embrace one another in the solidarity of a community that cares about its people. Thank you for coming out today. Thanks.